First, download the Tubeup app for your preferred OS from the Tubeup landing page. Choose a plan from the pricing section, either a trial or a one-time payment. Apply a coupon code for a special discount if you're lucky enough to have one. Once payment is completed, you'll receive a purchase confirmation email. Open the email from dgird. Click the download link and get the app for your preferred OS, Mac, or Windows. Install the app after the download is complete. Copy the license code from the email, paste it into the app, and click the Activate License button. Now the app is fully activated and ready to automate and upload videos to your channels. First, select the base folder where you'll keep all your ready-to-publish videos. Then click the Enlist button. The app will register every video with a unique ID. Make sure each video has a proper title that reflects its content. Also add video context to describe the video briefly or in detail. By expanding a video row, you'll find all metadata fields where you can manually add or edit anything for each video. Now let's integrate AI for metadata generation. Go to AI Integration, click the guide link, then click the Google AI Studio hyperlink. Sign into your Google account if needed. Click Get API Key, then Create API Key. Copy it, return to the app, paste it, and click Save Settings. Now let's generate metadata for a single video. Titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags are generated automatically. You can customize anything at any time. To build dynamic descriptions, go to Settings, then Content Default. Add your brand links and resources here so they can be used dynamically across all videos instead of adding them individually. Save settings. Now you can see all dynamic content added automatically to every video. You still have full flexibility to edit them individually before publishing. Using the Eye view, we get a focused view with all fields displayed. Let's generate metadata for bulk videos with a single click on the Generate Metadata button. As metadata is generated, each video status is automatically set to Ready. You can also update statuses manually. Set your preferred visibility for each video, private, public, unlisted, or scheduled. Now it's time to connect your YouTube channel with Tubeup using the default upload engine, Easy Unlimited Upload. Go to YouTube Studio, copy the studio channel URL, paste it into the channel URL field, enter the channel name, and click Connect. A pop-up window will appear. Sign in with the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Select the channel you want to connect first, then wait a moment. The app will handle the rest automatically. Wait until the window closes. Your first channel is now connected. You can add as many channels as needed using the same process. To publish videos to an existing playlist, add the playlist to Tubeup. Copy your playlist name from YouTube and add it here. Add as many playlists as needed and set one as the global default playlist. Set a global default visibility and default schedule time for all videos. Configure audience settings, age restrictions, and altered content declarations globally as needed. Let's add thumbnails. Copy a video's ID to assign a thumbnail. Go to the base folder and open the thumbnail folder automatically created by Tubeup. Place your thumbnails there and rename each thumbnail file using the corresponding video ID. After refreshing, the thumbnail will be assigned and show a Yes status. Now let's upload our first video. Click the upload icon on a video row. Tubeup will handle everything automatically with a full visual view. You don't need to do anything. Just wait until the upload completes. Once uploaded, the video will move to the Publish tab with its published video link. You can play the video directly from the app. We can see that the dynamic description, metadata, thumbnail, and playlist were all uploaded correctly. Tubeup not only helps publish videos, it also generates social media sharing copy in bulk with one click from the Social Share tab. Copy and share content for each social platform individually. Now let's integrate analytics and the second upload engine, reliable uploads and analytics. Click the How to Use guide link and follow the instructions. Click the Google Cloud Console link. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, then create a project. Give it a name, create it, and select the project. Click APIs and Services, then Enabled APIs and Services. Search for and enable YouTube Data API v3 and YouTube Analytics API. Now create an OAuth consent screen. Enter an app name such as YouTube Uploading and provide the email associated with your YouTube account. Select External as the audience. Add the same email as the contact information, then click Create. Now create an OAuth client. Select Desktop App as the application type. Enter a name and click Create. Click Audience, add the same email, and click Save. Copy the client ID. Go to Tubeup Settings, select Reliable Uploads and Analytics from the drop-down, and paste it. Do the same with the client secret. Click the Connect YouTube button. Select the same email if you're already signed in, otherwise, sign in first. Then choose the YouTube channel where you want to upload videos. Click Continue, then select All. Your channel is now connected. Close the browser. Now you can see your connected channel analytics right inside Tubeup. Easy, right? Let's enjoy a smoother upload experience with our second upload engine, Reliable Uploads and Analytics. Click the upload icon beside a video to upload a single video. The upload will begin, and progress will appear in the status field. Everything runs in the background and finishes quickly. Now try bulk uploading. Click Upload Batch, and Tubeup will start uploading all videos marked as ready, one by one. And that's how Tubeup transforms your video uploading experience.